So in this Scotiabank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to send an international money transfer here on the Scotiabank app. So once the Scotiabank app is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, go to the bottom left, press on where it says Move Money. On the Move Money page right here, just want you to scroll down to where it says at the bottom International Transfers, send money across the world. Simply go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can select the country that you want to send to. So in this case, if you wanted to send to, I'll just search up the United States right here as an example, as I'm in Canada at the moment. So, or United Kingdom, whatever the case may be, I'll just go ahead and type in that. Once that is done, you can press compare and send right here. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and see the exchange rates, the fees, the times, etc. So you can send the amounts and it'll do the currency exchange. So if I wanted to send 100 Canadian dollars, it'll be 100 Canadian dollars. Then if you were to go press on they receive, it would also show that in British pounds. You can also go to the bottom where you can see the details right here. You can do cash pickup. You can press continue. And then if you want to do all of that, proceed with the next steps by going to the bottom right and pressing continue. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to send an international money transfer here in the Scotiabank app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.